Hi and welcome back to another video of CAIE Backpack. Before we begin this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get further notified in future. So in this video we are going to review some very important books of SAT, and don't forget the links to all the books are in the description. You can open the URL and order your most suitable book now. Being said, all the books mentioned below have some different strength, and they can be a great way to learn content, practice strategies and try out some sample questions. As best representation of SAT questions always come from the test maker themselves, I'll be starting this list with the College Board's official SAT guide. This book is available on Amazon at affordable rates of $10.30, and used book is available at $9.41, and the link is attached in the description. The strength of this book is that it contains 8 College Board practice tests, and written in the exact same process, and by the team of authors as the actual exam. Detailed description of the math and evidence reading and writing section, targeted practice questions, guidance on the new optional essay, seamless integration with official SAT practice on Khan Academy. Moving on to book to the official ACT prep guide or the red book. This book is of $20 on Amazon, and don't forget the link to this book is also in the description below. Why is the official ACT prep guide so crucial? Because it's made by the test makers themselves, meaning its practice questions are the best representations of what you'll see on the test. They were actually already given on the test on past administrations of the ACT. The good side of this book is that this book has the best sample questions, because they are real ACT questions. That means the content will match what you'll see on the test, with one caveat: see the cons section below, as will the format, timing, and wording of the questions. It's crucial to use real practice questions to prep, so you can get used to the test, know what to expect, and assess where you need more practice. The red book has 5 full-length practice tests, all of which were previously administered official tests. It also has over 400 questions available online that you can access with a code you get when you buy the book. Let's see the third book. If you still need extra practice, though, I recommend Barron's SAT Prep books. This book is available on Amazon at $16 to $21, and don't forget the links are in the description if you want a perfect or near perfect score. I remember using these books for my own SAT Prep in high school. While their questions aren't as good as those in official SAT practice tests, they're a solid backup source to use when you finish all the other SAT prep books above. The last book is the Princeton Reviews Cracking the SAT 2020 edition. The price of this book on Amazon is $15 to $35. Similar to Barron's, the Princeton Reviews Cracking the SAT 2020 edition prep book provides a comprehensive review of the SAT, covering concepts you need to know, such as grammar rules and algebraic functions, along with strategies for approaching the test questions and managing your time. The pros of this book is it contains 4 full-length practice tests, and 1 additional practice test you can access online, or, if you get the premium version, you'll have access to 3 more online, giving you a total of 8 practice tests. The book offers thorough answer explanations for practice questions, which help you think about how you can approach similar questions in the future. And on test day, there's an online component that helps you score your practice tests. Don't forget that all the links to these books are available in the description box below. You can order your books easily from Amazon at affordable price. So this is all for today's video. We will be back with further videos on SAT preparation. Till then, don't forget to like this video and comment down the next topic you want to learn.